Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Fun Daily.
We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we will talk about technology.
Technology is part of our daily life.
Yes, we use technology at home, at work, at school, and even when we travel.
In today's lesson, you will learn easy English words and useful expressions about technology.
You will also practice listening, speaking, and answering questions.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
We will speak slowly.
We will explain new words in simple English.
We will repeat important vocabulary many times.
And we will practice together.
Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel.
Like this video and share it with your friends.
Every lesson helps you become a more confident English speaker.
Are you ready?
Let's begin. Do you like technology?
Yes, I do. I use technology every day.
Me too. Technology makes life easier.
I agree. I use my smartphone every morning.
What do you do on your smartphone?
I check the weather, read messages, and listen to music.
That's nice. I also use my phone to study English.
Really?
Yes, I watch English videos and practice new words.
That is a great idea. Everyone, please repeat after me. I use my phone to study English.
Again.
I use my phone to study English.
Very good.
Let's learn a new word.
The word is technology.
Technology means tools, machines, computers, and devices that help people.
For example, a smartphone is technology.
A laptop is technology.
A smart TV is technology.
Even a smartwatch is technology.
Please repeat.
Technology.
One more time.
Technology.
Excellent. What technology do you use every day?
I use my laptop every day. What do you do on your laptop?
I write emails.
Anything else?
I watch videos.
Good.
I also join online meetings.
That's very common today.
Yes, many people work online now.
Let's learn another word.
The word is device.
A device is a machine or tool that you use.
Your phone is a device.
Your tablet is a device.
Your computer is a device. Please repeat.
Device.
Again.
Device.
Wonderful. Do you have more than one device?
Yes, I do.
What devices do you have?
I have a smartphone and a laptop.
Which one do you use more?
I use my smartphone more.
Why?
Because I carry it everywhere.
That's true.
Smartphones are small and easy to use.
We use them for many things.
We call people.
We send messages.
We take photos.
We watch videos.
We listen to music.
We read books.
We even pay for things.
Technology is amazing.
Yes, but we should use it wisely.
That's a good point.
Sometimes people spend too much time on their phones.
I know.
It is good to take a break.
Yes.
Go outside.
Walk in the park.
Talk with family.
Read a real book.
Balance is important.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after me.
Technology helps me every day.
Again.
Technology helps me every day.
Very good.
Now another sentence.
Repeat after me.
I use my smartphone every day.
Again.
I use my smartphone every day.
Excellent.
Let's continue our conversation.
Do you like using the internet?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually do online?
I read the news.
Nice.
I watch English lessons.
Great.
I also search for information.
The internet is full of information.
That's true.
But not all information is correct.
Good point.
We should check information before we believe it.
Yes, always use trusted websites.
Let's learn a new word.
The word is online.
Online means connected to the internet.
For example, I study English online.
Another example.
My meeting is online.
Please repeat.
Online.
Again.
Online.
Excellent.
Here's another useful word.
The word is download.
Download means to save something from the internet to your device.
For example, I downloaded a new English app.
Another example.
I downloaded a song.
Repeat after me.
Download.
Again.
Download.
Very good.
Do you download many apps?
Only a few.
Why only a few?
I like to keep my phone simple.
That's a good habit.
I only download apps that I really need.
I do the same.
My favorite app is an English learning app.
Mine is a map app.
It helps you find places.
Yes, it is very useful.
Technology can help us learn.
Technology can help us work.
Technology can help us stay connected with friends and family.
But remember to use technology in a healthy way.
That's right.
Let's continue our conversation about technology.
We already talked about smartphones, laptops, and the internet.
Now let's talk about how technology helps us every day.
Technology saves time.
Yes, it does.
For example, I can pay my bills online.
I can buy a train ticket on my phone.
That's very convenient.
Convenient means easy and helpful.
Everyone please repeat.
Convenient.
Again?
Convenient.
Excellent.
I also use technology for shopping.
Do you buy many things online?
Sometimes.
What do you usually buy?
I buy books, clothes, and headphones.
That's nice.
What about you?
I usually buy English books.
Do you like reading on paper or on a screen?
I like both.
Why?
Paper books feel comfortable,
I understand.
but e-books are easy to carry.
That's true.
One small device can hold hundreds of books.
Technology makes reading easier.
Let's learn a new word.
The word is screen.
A screen is the part of a phone, tablet, TV, or computer that shows pictures and words.
Look at your phone screen.
Look at your laptop screen.
Please repeat.
Screen.
Again.
Screen.
Very good.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I do.
Which app do you use most?
I like YouTube.
Me too.
I watch English lessons.
That's a great way to learn.
I also watch cooking videos.
I enjoy travel videos.
Technology lets us learn new things every day.
That's one reason I like it.
Me too.
But sometimes social media takes too much time.
Yes.
Have you ever spent 1 hour on your phone without noticing?
Yes, many times.
Me too.
Time goes very fast.
That's why we should control our screen time.
Good idea.
Screen time means the time you spend looking at a phone, computer, or TV.
Please repeat.
Screen time.
Again.
Screen time.
Excellent.
Let's talk about learning English with technology.
That's my favorite topic.
Mine too.
What do you use?
I watch English podcasts.
Great.
I listen every day.
Listening every day is a good habit.
I also use an English dictionary app.
Very useful.
When I see a new word, I check the meaning.
That's smart.
Then I make a sentence.
Excellent learning method.
Finally, I say the sentence aloud.
Speaking aloud helps your pronunciation.
Everyone, please repeat.
I practice English every day.
Again.
I practice English every day.
Wonderful.
Do you use a computer at work?
Yes, every day.
What do you do?
I write documents.
Anything else?
I send emails.
Good.
I make presentations.
Nice.
I join video meetings,
Technology helps people work together.
even when they are far away.
Exactly.
Let's learn another word.
The word is password.
A password is a secret word or number.
It protects your account.
Protect means keep safe. Please repeat. Password.
Again.
Password.
Very good.
Is your password easy?
No.
Why not?
Because I want my account to be safe.
That's a good idea.
Never tell strangers your password.
That's important.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is update.
Update means to install the newest version of a program or app.
Updates fix problems.
Updates also add new features.
Feature means a special function.
Please repeat.
Update.
Again.
Update.
Excellent.
Do you update your phone?
Yes.
How often?
Whenever a new update is available.
Me too.
Sometimes technology has problems.
Yes.
My phone battery becomes empty quickly.
Mine too.
I need to charge it every evening.
Charge means to put electricity into the battery.
Please repeat.
Charge.
Again. Charge. Great.
I always carry a charger.
That's smart.
Let's practice some useful sentences.
Repeat after me.
My phone battery is low.
Again.
My phone battery is low.
Excellent.
Repeat.
Can I charge my phone here?
Again.
Can I charge my phone here?
Wonderful. Repeat. I forgot my charger.
Again. I forgot my charger. Great job.
Let's imagine a real-life situation.
Okay.
Your phone has only 5% battery.
Oh no.
You need to call your friend.
I will call quickly.
Good idea.
Then I will charge my phone.
Perfect.
Here's another situation.
I'm ready.
You want to learn English faster?
I will watch English videos.
Good.
I will listen to English podcasts.
Excellent.
I will speak English every day.
That's the best way to improve.
Technology is a wonderful tool.
Yes, but remember one thing.
What is it?
Technology helps us,
Yes,
but people are more important.
I completely agree.
Spend time with your family.
Talk to your friends.
Read books.
Exercise.
learn new skills.
And use technology wisely.
That's the best advice.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's learn 5 useful expressions about technology.
Expression number 1.
My phone is out of battery.
This means your phone has no power.
Example,
Sorry, I couldn't call you. My phone was out of battery.
please repeat.
My phone is out of battery.
Again,
My phone is out of battery.
expression number 2.
Can you help me?
Use this when you need help.
Example.
Can you help me use this app?
Repeat.
Can you help me?
Again.
Can you help me?
Expression number 3.
I don't know how.
Use this when you cannot do something. Example. I don't know how to download the app. Repeat.
I don't know how.
Again.
I don't know how. Expression number 4.
It works now.
Use this after fixing a problem.
Example.
Thank you. It works now.
Repeat.
It works now.
Again.
It works now.
Expression number 5.
That's very useful.
Use this when something helps you. Example. This English app is very useful.
Repeat.
That's very useful.
Again.
That's very useful.
Excellent work.
You learned many new words today.
Technology.
Device.
Online.
Download.
Screen.
Screen time.
Password.
Update.
Charge.
Convenient.
Keep repeating these words every day.
Now let's learn common questions about technology.
Listen first.
Then repeat. What technology do you use every day?
I use my smartphone every day.
Repeat the answer.
I use my smartphone every day.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I do.
Repeat.
Yes, I do.
What do you use your laptop for?
I use it for work and study.
Again.
I use it for work and study.
Do you like technology?
Yes, I do. It makes life easier.
Repeat.
Yes, I do. It makes life easier.
How often do you use the internet?
I use the internet every day.
Again.
I use the internet every day.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is YouTube.
Repeat.
My favorite app is YouTube.
Do you study English online?
Yes, I study English online every day.
Again.
Yes, I study English online every day.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can.
Repeat.
Yes, I can.
Is technology important?
Yes, it is very important.
Repeat.
Yes, it is very important.
What do you usually do online?
I watch videos, read news, and study English.
Again.
I watch videos, read news, and study English. Wonderful.
You are speaking more naturally.
Listen this conversation about buying a new phone.
Hi. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I need a new smartphone.
What do you use your phone for?
I use it for calls, messages, and learning English.
This phone has a good camera and a strong battery.
That sounds great.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Listen this conversation about asking for Wi-Fi.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we do.
May I have the password?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The internet is very fast.
I'm glad you like it. Listen this conversation about learning English together.
What are you doing?
I'm watching an English lesson.
Is it helpful?
Yes, I learned many new words.
Can I watch with you?
Of course. Let's practice together. That's a great idea. Listen this conversation about phone battery problem.
Oh no.
What's wrong?
My phone battery is almost empty.
Do you have your charger?
No, I forgot it.
You can use mine.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Listen this conversation about helping a friend.
Can you help me?
Sure.
I don't know how to download this app.
No problem.
What should I do?
Open the App Store.
Okay.
Search for the app.
I found it.
Now press download.
It's downloading now.
Great.
Thank you for your help.
Anytime.
Fantastic work.
You are becoming more confident every lesson.
Listening practice.
Now it's time to practice your listening.
Listen carefully.
After each situation, I will ask you a simple question.
Try to answer before I do.
Ready? Let's start.
Sarah studies English every evening. She watches English videos on her tablet for 30 minutes. Then she listens to an English podcast before she goes to bed.
What does Sarah watch every evening?
She watches English videos. David forgot his phone charger at home. His phone battery is only 5%. He asks his friend for help.
Why does David need help?
Because his phone battery is very low and he forgot his charger. Emma uses her laptop to write emails, join online meetings, and study English.
What 3 things does Emma do on her laptop?
She writes emails, join online meetings, and study English. Ali downloads a new dictionary app. When he finds a new English word, he checks the meaning and practices the pronunciation.
Why does Ali use the dictionary app?
He uses it to learn new English words.
Excellent listening.
The more you listen, the better your English becomes. Now it's your turn to speak.
Answer the questions in English.
Speak slowly.
Don't worry if your answer is short.
What technology do you use every day?
Sample answer. I use my smartphone every day. I use it to call my family, send messages, and study English.
What is your favorite app?
Sample answer. My favorite app is YouTube because I watch English lessons and interesting videos.
Let's review today's lesson.
Repeat the vocabulary after us.
Technology,
Technology,
smartphone,
smartphone,
laptop,
laptop,
device,
device,
screen,
screen,
internet,
internet,
online,
online,
download,
download,
update,
update,
password,
password,
battery,
battery,
charge,
charge,
charger,
charger,
screen time,
screen time,
convenient.
convenient.
Now let's review the useful expressions.
Repeat after us.
My phone is out of battery.
My phone is out of battery.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I don't know how.
I don't know how.
It works now.
It works now.
That's very useful.
That's very useful.
Fantastic.
You learned many useful words and expressions today.
Now it's time for your speaking challenge.
Try to speak without reading.
Create 2 to 4 sentences about technology.
You can answer these questions.
What technology do you use every day?
What is your favorite device? How does technology help you?
Here is one example. I use my smartphone every day. I study English online. I watch English videos and listen to podcasts. Technology helps me learn new things.
Now it's your turn.
Speak slowly.
Smile and enjoy speaking English.
Congratulations.
You finished today's lesson.
We hope you feel more confident talking about technology in English.
Remember, practice a little every day.
Listen,
Repeat,
speak.
and never be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
Subscribe to Speak English with Fun Daily.
Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Share this lesson with your friends and family.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next Speak English with Fun daily lesson.